Hello and welcome to my channel. This is all about luxury things for a typical working family woman like me. If this sounds interesting to you, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload new video. Today, join me in unboxing this item that I have been eyeing on from Louis Vuitton. And this is the perfume travel set. If you have watched my previous video, I purchased one perfume from Louis Vuitton which I decided to return because there are two scents that really caught my attention, the Courbatin and the Rose Devon. The day I returned that perfume, the Leisure LV, what I did is I tried on one arm the Courbatin and on the other arm the Rose Devon, and go for a walk at the mall, and while thinking which one is better, because on the back of my mind I have to choose only one, because initially I really wanted this travel set, but that time that I decided to buy the perfume, it's not available. And I did not think the time that I tried those two perfumes that the travel set is actually available. So I remember walking back to the store after having dinner and thinking, what would I pick? Is it the Courbatin and Rose Devon? As in, last minute, I still don't know which perfume to choose. And I really feel so lucky because at that time, when I returned the perfume, I just asked, because just previous days, like in less than a week, this travel set is not yet available. So I am thinking that it's still not available. But at that time when I asked, is it available, I was so surprised and happy when the SA told me that yes, it is available. So I definitely went for it, and that's why I have this box right now that I will be showing with you, and I really feel so happy. Okay, this is quite hard to open. Just to warn you, opening this box is quite hard. Alright, so I finally managed to open the box, and look how beautiful it is. As you can see, here's the sprayer, and there are 7 perfumes included for women. So here is the travel sprayer, and this is where you would insert the vials for the perfume, and here's the cover. It's not magnetic or what, it's a little heavy, but it's just snaps on, it's not magnetic. So there, how cool is that? And here are the rest of the bottles. These are the perfumes. So here's the top. So you can't actually use this refills without the travel sprayer. So you will need the travel sprayer for this. As you see, there are 7 fragrances here included. And what I like in this set is I got to try all of the scents, so I am not limited to only one perfume. So I think by the time that I finish this one, I can decide which perfume do I get on a bigger bottle. You might be wondering, what is this white box over here? So this is the neutral refill. So basically you need to use this after changing the what you call this, the perfume, just to rinse the travel sprayer. My only concern is, what if it gets finished? Do we get a free refill of this bottle from Louis Vuitton? We'll see. Okay, so let's try to put on one refill to the sprayer. So you would have to open this bottom part and insert this, and then close it, and voila, it should work like a normal perfume. I like that this is very handy, and it holds quite a lot of perfume. And most importantly, I got to have these 7 scents that I can try on. So that's it for now. Thank you for joining me on this video. I hope you give it a thumbs up, and please do subscribe to my channel. Stay safe, stay happy, and remember, we deserve some Luxe. Bye!